Hey, what's up? This is Jay Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about solar panels and how they are one of the greatest investments. Get ready. This is Jay Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's Jay Lucky Henry. So, if you are not convinced that solar panels are one of the greatest investments you're gonna get, the whole saving the planet, renewable energy, the whole like lower electric bill thing, the whole, well, let me stop right there. Those are two great reasons already. But let me just give you some more. Besides the tax incentives and tax breaks that you get from local governments and federal governments, the actual cost of installing the average solar panel system is about $16,000, give or take, right? And when you leave, instead of trying to take them with you, you should actually leave them behind, and here's why. Homeowners are actually paying, on average, about $15,000 more for houses that have solar panels. So let's back this up. On average, you'd spend $16,000. You save money, get tax breaks, save the planet. And then when you go to sell, you're selling for 90-something% of what you bought it for. What in the world, what kind of depreciating asset is able to hold its value to like a 95% ratio? Insane. If I haven't convinced you already that solar panels are one of the greatest investment, then there's no hope for you, all right? There's no hope for you, there's no hope for this earth, there's no hope for anything, right? But if you have, get one. This is Jay Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.